How to use Airtable for inventory management. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how we can use Airtable for inventory management. Using Airtable for inventory management can help you keep track of stock levels, orders, and sales. And the major way or the first way of doing it is by creating a base specifically for inventory management. And then how do you create a base? You can create a base from scratch, or you can move to the right side of the screen and then start with a template. Okay, so I'll be making use of it, one of my base here. And then after selecting the base, you'll be brought to the base interface where you'll see different options. Alright, so once you're on this port interface, or the base interface, sorry, you can see the views option by the left where you can see different kind of views, and then you can see your fields as well as your records. So as you can see, this the next step is to design your tables. You should have separate tables for product, orders, and suppliers, etc. Everything that has to do with inventory management. Also, this table one could be the table for product, the second one could be the one for other suppliers. Ensure you rename those tables using those names. And then the next step is to create fields for money, that is for quantities, for SKUs, for other relevant data. And to do that, just click this drop down arrow, click start from scratch, and then you can just change the name to prices. All right, prices, enter, and then you wait for it to load. And then once you're done creating all these tables, the next step is to link related records across tables to reflect relationships. For example, now let's say table 3 is the order is the product table, so I would rename it as that. So product. So let's assume that it is the product table. So yeah, you can just decide to link product to prices. And then how do you do this? After entering the product table, just go ahead and click the plus icon here. Then you have to select or type out the name of the field if you want. Then you in the field find the field type, select link to another record. Then you can just type out the name of the table you want to link into, which is the prices. Then select it. Then if you want to allow multiple records, click create field, and just like that the records would be linked. So you can also implement formulas to calculate stock levels, cost and other metrics. And then another thing that you can do is to set up views. Yes, this is very important. Set up views, different kind of views that can enhance or make your work more productive. So I also decide to automate processes by making use of automations at the top part of the screen here. All right. And then you can also collaborate, share your base with your team and assign tasks. And to share your base, just go ahead, click on the share icon here, send email invites. Whoever accepts it will be accepted or added as a collaborator to your base. So this is how it works. All right. It's basically how you can use Airtable for inventory management. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.